Hey everyone, Vinayak here. The air quality in cities has been going down considerably, and there are tons of vehicles plying on the roads. And being lucky to be in a city with low pollution, there still is some. This pollution is toxic to us, so in order to fight back and to make sure we have clean air to breathe, at least at home, I have here the Agaro Purewave 45-watt air purifier. Does it really work, or are these just false claims? Let's check it out in this video. Today I have with me the Agaro Purewave 45-watt air purifier, which looks quite stylish in white, and with this silver strip going around the top, we have the Agaro logo here. The purifier is rated at 45 watts. We have grab handles on both sides of the purifier, and it's surprisingly quite light taking into account its size. It comes with a remote which can control all the functions of the purifier. The remote uses a CR2025 battery. We also have a user manual included, which has all the operating instructions. This is also the warranty card. The back has a grill which protects the filters and opens up like so. The filter can be removed using these pull tabs here. It's quite thick as it has multiple layers of filtration. This blue cloth comes off and we can see the HEPA filter within. The other side has a sponge filter. These are the pull tabs on the filter. They need to point outward for easy removal. Here's the HEPA filter. The HEPA filter can continuously capture up to 99.97% of the particles that pass through it, as small as 0.3 microns. Turning the purifier on, we can see the UV lights come on. The fan below pulls the air through the HEPA filter. It can block lint, pollen, pet hair and dust bunnies in the air. An activated carbon pre-filter absorbs VOCs, gases, odors and traps larger particles. The UV light would kill any bacteria or viruses floating within the chamber. Let's install the filter back in. Make sure to have the blue section with the tabs point outward. Put the cover back on and we are ready to run the purifier. All this purified air is sent out via the vents on top, which also houses these capacitive buttons. The purifier uses a 2-prong plug. Let's turn the purifier on using the button on top. And we see this green ring and LEDs moving in a circle. The center LEDs indicate that the purifier is measuring the air quality. A few seconds later and we can see the temperature and then it displays the air quality. My room's air looks to be clean. There are 4 buttons on the top. We have power, sleep, fan speed, which we can set between 3 speeds, and also A for auto, and timer to set how long we want the purifier to run before turning off automatically. We can set from 1 up to 12 hours. After 12, tap again to cancel the timer. Sleep mode. It turns off the display and runs the purifier in quiet mode. This is useful if you don't want the lights disturbing you at night, and even the sounds are very less. There are key combos like the sleep and timer buttons together locks the purifier. This prevents children or others from being able to tamper with the device. They can't even turn it off via the button on top. Tap the 2 buttons again and it unlocks. Tap on the sleep and fan speed buttons together to see the temperature. It's displayed in Celsius. A few seconds later, it switches back to displaying the air quality. The green ring on top shows the air quality and is easy to notice from a distance too. The LED ring color would change as per the quality of the air. Green indicates excellent air quality, blue indicates good air quality, yellow indicates medium air quality, and red indicates poor air quality. The air quality is measured by a PM2 sensor which is below this window here. I can't seem to be able to open it, but you can see the instructions below that you need to clean it once in a while. The purifier can output 260 meter cube of purified air per hour, which is its CADR. It takes the purifier around 10 minutes to clean the air in a room, but that would also depend on how big your room is. When it starts, the ring would be a different color, but as it purifies the air, it would slowly turn green. A test of the air purity indicator. I have this bati burning here. We can see that the display is indicating that the air is not clean. We can also see that the smoke is being pulled into the back of the air purifier, and it comes out filtered from the top. All the purifier functions can be activated or deactivated using the remote control. Pollution is a big concern, and this purifier at least makes it easier to provide purified air for our family. This would improve the overall health of everyone at home. The anions, as indicated in the purifier, are actually negatively charged particles which would attach itself to the particles floating in the air and pull it towards the filter and also other furniture surfaces. As they are not floating anymore, it won't get into your lungs. So how do you guys like the Agaro Purewave 45 watt air purifier? Do you use a purifier at home? Make sure to comment below which one you use. And also make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.